Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn internal JavaScript. What is internal JavaScript? Similarly, we have learned our previous lectures of CSS. So called it is internal and external. Similarly, JavaScript is also we can write as an internal JavaScript or some creating with the help of extension of .js file of JavaScript also we can create one more file, and commonly we can prepare the common JS file, call it as with the extension if it is placed as .js, it is in a JavaScript file. Place all the scripts into this particular JS file and call by referencing with the script tag. You will be have to avail all this functionality of JavaScript to entire project. In this lecture, we are going to focusing how to prepare internal JavaScript. Let's see, very simple. I have to show you that easy task of JavaScript. Before going to initiating, see, this is where we have a called as like a style tag. Similar way, we can call it as a script tag. With the help of less than, within the header tag only, the script tag should be there. SCRIPT, script. You can select the script, press enter. Now you observe here, script type is text JavaScript. That's it. The ID is rest of the things. My ID is happened, done the things. Now I'm going to writing. You have to write like a script of internal within these two tags we have to prepare here. All right. Let's see here with a simple example. I'm showing you how to prepare like a creating a date object. For creating a date object, how it is in JavaScript. See, I'm making is here like yes, yes. I'm going to write here. It is, I hope it is visible. Now creating where variable I'm taking in JavaScript space day. It's a day is then my name of the variable is day. That equal to new date predefined function of a new date within the parenthesis means this is the function date function I'm calling. I'm creating a date function with the help of JavaScript, and the day where is the variable I have a defined here. That is the thing only it is happened here. And this is the example by writing like this is the script for internal to make the internal JavaScript code and presenting how we are able to call the JavaScript to execute and fetching the current date. All right. Now one thing is happened, and the second one where today day dot from this day I have a called day function like a date function from that date where what I am doing where today one more variable I have taken, and I have a called for that is equal to see that day dot get day, particularly from the day I am getting for get day means today I want to get it from that functionality. All right. Now see here, to getting that today, what I'm doing here, like making one new array. How it is possible to create a making an array in where the name of the array is like weekdays, like or else weekday you can put as, and making new keyword with array. Just define the name of the array. It's a define array with how many array values I require? 7. I'm making it as a 7 with the terminator of the line. In JavaScript, every line you have to terminate with the semicolon. That is a very important, strongly remember. So what I have done, day I am calling predefined function with the one variable, and one more variable I have taken for today, for identifying today, and the day dot get day function it is already available. I have used, and here for where one weekend, that is a weekend new array with the 7 days per week. 7 array values I am taking here. So now it's very simply what I am doing. Weekday and array will initiate from 0. Always strongly remember, array will start from 0. From the 0, Sunday, I have written here, and weekday of 1, it would be next value of Monday, net, and weekday is array of 2, so on. You have to prepare so Monday, Tuesday. Also, you can take in a copy of these lines. If you're getting bored to write the lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 more is required. Yes, 0, 1, 2, like 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hope it is sufficient. Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 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 Friday, final one, Saturday. Over. Now let's see here. These array will tell you 7 elements I have defined. If it is 8, you have to define one more. Like that, array will function. Okay. And 7 weekdays I have written. I have to identify based on the today, what is the day it is getting. Based on that value of this, I want to present this output. See how it is? By simply how I am calling like document dot get element by ID, document dot write. This is the predefined function again. Like, today is concatenation with this like a symbol of what is this I've used. Yeah, I've used for the concatenation weekday of today, which is the matching, and at the finally creating one full stuff for dot. This is how it should be written for JavaScript. Now let's see the output first. Refresh and JavaScript internal. Today is Thursday. How it is getting? Very pretty easy. Today is Thursday. That's it. If you want to make a space, use here. Reload. Today is Thursday. How it is coming? I'll explain you once again. First of all, what I'm taking here, where as in a day variable I'm taking, and the date function it is there. I have called this all the date functions from the where, which is defaultly which is working with the JavaScript, and added here. Again, from this day, what I'm doing, get the day. Particularly, I am figure out about the day only. Why the day only means, like see here, day dot. If you press the dot, you will some IDs like will give you more like a get and get elements, get date, and many functionalities are there which will supports for the date function. So I'm using get day method to getting that today, right? I have taken a array and the array values are displayed here. Now what I'm doing, the weekday which is coming from that and which is matching with which day here. If it is matched today means if it is an array value, it is in a 4, it is going to be presenting this data. Today is going to be displaying like this. Likewise, if we want to display a date in our website, wherever like similarly like I'm showing a day only. If you want to date, if you can also present the current date itself. Just refresh the page. It's displaying today is Thursday. It is showing. If you want to show the date and time, yes, you can show by using the JavaScript very simply. All right, for that you can explore it how to display these things. It's very easy, not much difficult. And this is the script tag you have to use and write the internal code as JavaScript. It will be present you and act you what you want to show and what you want to display. That's all about to like presenting your JavaScript code welcome page here. We'll see the next lecture as soon. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.